Today we are going to see about Sitecore solar indexing. This is Harish Kumar from SK Tech channel. Before going to the topic, I just wanted to provide an important information. Please sanitize your hands regularly. Don't roam outside unnecessarily. Okay. Be stay at home. Be safe. If possible, get vaccinated. Use a quality mask while going outside. Maintain social distance between yourself. Okay. Guys, your life is so important than your commitments. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Now let us into the topic. So solar indexing is index is nothing but what happens is instead of querying a data from every time from CMS, we are crawling the data from the CMS and kept it in some server or some path, so that if any data is needed, instead of getting it from the CMS, we are getting it from the backup server, that is backup server or a solar server or a path, front path. So what happens is, what the indexes will do is it will crawl all the contents we are received in the configuration, and it will create a encrypted file in some servers or in shared paths. Okay, so that is the indexing. So solar is a very good um, indexing tool which is used to help which is used to index all the data and kept it in multiple servers. That is the feature of solar. And the advantages of solar is it provide highlight feature, that is search text highlight feature, dictionary feature, and facility means categorizing and showing shorter way, and dynamic field. If you forget to specify the field name in the configuration, you can use dynamic field. And there is a Moses Lake concept is available. If during publish the reindexing will happen, so in that time you can use the Moses Lake concept, where the slave will provide the support during indexing and the master will receive the content. So once this is done, the master from the data will be transferred from master to slave. So your site will not be down during publishing. Okay, so this is a feature of solar. Let us show you a simple demo so that you will get an understand a simple demo, so that you will get a firm grip how to create a simple solar core and how to work with solar index, solar admin, etc. Let us into the demo. Show demo how to create a solar index. So after installing solar, you will get this URL. Okay, so from here we go to core admin. You need to add a core. So add a core, nothing but you need to provide this directory where the core should be pointed to, and data folder in which folder the indexed files are stored. Okay, you need to give a path. Okay, this is solar config and xschema config. When you give add, the core will be added. So once the core will be added, you need to go to the config. You need to include that core name here in this Sitecore contact search index config. Okay, that is solar index config. Okay, you need to include the core name here. Okay, so before going into Sitecore, I am just showing some of the feature of it. Suppose I am using master index. Okay, master index. Okay. When I select, I can query the details here. Okay, so this feature not available in Lucid and Lucid. So it's only available in solar only. So one example. So I'm giving name different T colon data mining. I'm just searching here. Okay, mining. Okay, so this is a query analyzer. Let's execute query. You find the record. One record is available. If you change some dummy data, it won't be available. Okay. Similarly, you can search any field here. Description. Okay, and you can execute. Uh, there are plenty of features available here, so you will get shorted way or uh, yeah, index that is keyword highlighting. So a lot of features are available. You can use it here. This is like a query analyzer in SQL Server. So we can execute before going into site code. Whether others in the particular index is working or not. Okay. So uh, we have created the Solar core and updated the Solar core in the Solar config, site core Solar config. So now we need to uh, uh, re-index. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to populate the schema and re-index so that index will be populated with content. Okay. First I'm going here. This populate Solar schema where I need to populate the schema. You're creating a new Solar index. You need to populate the schema here. Okay. Okay. So all the Solar index will be listed here. Sitecore master index new came. So I'm just populating it. Now the schema populated. So I'm going to index manager. Now it's populating the data into the core core admin data path. If you see the path, you will see the data. Here the data is populated here. Now the index data is populated here. See the data. Now the re-index is completed. So I'm just showing the coding I have written for loading the getting the data from the index. So initially I'm using this content search get index to get the index contact search manager. After that I'm getting a predicate nothing but will gather the condition for Solar to execute this predicted condition. So I am passing the I'm just hard coding now, so I'm passing the data mining as my data search data. So after that, I'm on the search context. I'm just passing my search model, that is search model whatever I have created, and my predicate. So after that, when I get execute the get result, I will get the results. Okay. This is a simple demo. Okay. Uh, Before debug and show you, I will show the content where which content I am searching. This will take pretty much time. Now it's loaded. So this is the item we are browsing for testing. Okay. So So this is where I have given the data as data mining for all the fields I have created. Okay, using predicate and just show you how it works. Okay, this is the item where I add a rendering for the controller, home controller, so that it will execute the Solar index. Okay, now I will show you a demo. Before that, I will attach the process. I'm going here. I'm just refreshing. I'm just refreshing. Yeah, now the debug came. So now if you see, I'm searching data mining. So only one item I have created in the CMS. So I should get one item here. So if you see, total search count is 1, and the result is one record. It has find it out. That is search content template and search content template. Okay. You open the document, you will find the details of this. So description, I'm giving data mining as well. Data mining, count, fields count, everything, your details. Okay. Okay. This is a simple demo of how to create and use Solar Index. Okay, there are a lot of advantages are available using Solar Index. You can get dictionary value, you can get highlighted text, you can get, there is a dynamic field option is there. We forgot to mention the field details in the configuration. You can use dynamic field, and another wonderful feature is master slave concept. So that is available in Solar. So suppose if you are unpublished when you enable re-indexing, so what happens is unpublished the site may be down or may will not work properly. On that scenario, you can use master slave concepts where your slave can connect it to your CD servers. Once you re-index, it will serve from master. Okay. After the re-index is completed, the master data will be transferred to the slave Solar servers. So, if during publish also it will work uh, without any disturbances or downtime. So that's it from this demo. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you are not yet subscribed yet. Then only whatever the video I am posting will reach you automatically. This is Satish Kumar signing off. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.